The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to install, set up, and use Apache Web Server so you can test your CGI scripts locally. The first thing you will need to know is what version of Windows you have. To do this, type version in the search box and choose System Information. In the left field, you will see System Summary. In the right field, you will see System Type. It will either say x64 base PC or x32 base PC. In my case, it says x64. So now you know which version of Windows you have. Now we need to download Apache. This is the address, apachelounge.com/downloads. That will send you to this page. Now we will download either the 64-bit version or the 32-bit version. In my case, it's the 64-bit version. After it has been downloaded, you will need to download the redistributables, either the 64-bit version or the one that says x86, which is the 32-bit version. In my case, it would be the 64-bit version. Now, if you highlight this in this download window, you can click on Show in Folder, and it will bring you here. Or you can just click on Download in the Quick Access bar. Now right-click on the file, the zip file that starts HTTPD, and extract all. This will create a new directory that starts with HTTPD. In there, a subdirectory called Apache 24. Copy that, and then go to the C drive and paste it. Now, in the C drive, under Apache 24, there's a bin directory. Open the bin directory and create a shortcut of the httpd.execute. Then copy that shortcut to your desktop. Now we need to set up Apache to run CGI scripts. In your Apache 24 directory, open the subdirectory called CONF. Here is an HTTPD configuration file. Open this in a plain text editor, like Notepad. If you go down to the line that says define server root Apache, as you can see, if you have copied this Apache 24 directory to some other place, you will need to change this to reflect whatever you changed it to. Now scroll down about 3/4 of the way, and you will see directory server use CGI bin. It says allow override none. It says options none, and require all granted. You'll need to change this. Allow none stays the same. Options needs to be changed to this right here. And you need to add the line, add headers, CGI script dot CGI dot PL dot PY dot PHE dot EXE. And then this line stays the same. So what this line is saying is you want to be able to execute CGI scripts. This line is telling you the extension of these CGI scripts. If it isn't one of these extensions, it will not execute. Now save your HTTP configuration file. Now let's take a look at this Apache 24 directory. The bin directory is where your executables are, including the main one, which is httpd.exe. The CGI bin is where the CGI scripts go, and if you don't put them here, they won't execute. Then we have the conf, which is the configuration files, where the httpd.conf is. After that, we have htdocs. This is where your web browser will point to when you first open up your server. Index.html. And down here is the logs. Right now all we have is the installation log. But if we had an error or an access problem, there would be a log that would be called error or access. This is the way it works. There's also a manual here that you can look at if you want. It just tells you to go to their site. Now we need to go back to your downloads directory. And in there, you will see VC redistributable. Execute this. And it will install this files, and then it will ask you to reboot. You'll have to reboot before any of the CGI scripts will execute.